Out of the box, Stable Diffusion draws painterly images, not real photos. To create photorealistic portraits, you need 5 ingredients: a realistic model, a proper VE, a photography prompt, the right settings, and a face fix. Let's build your portrait recipe together.
Start with realistic Vision V6.0 B1. It is an SD 1.5 checkpoint with over 1.7 million downloads. It runs on 4 to 6 gigabytes of VRAM, same as your setup. For 8 gigabyte cards, try Juggernaut XL or RealVis XL instead.
Open CivitAI.com and click Models. Open Filters. Set model type to checkpoint. Base model to SD 1.5 and sort by most downloaded. Find realistic Vision V6.0 B1 and open its page.
On the model page, click Download. Pick the FP16 safetensors file, about 2 gigabytes. Always choose safetensors. It is safer than the old CKPT format. And check the file size. A real SD 1.5 checkpoint is around 2 gigabytes.
Move the file into the Models folder. Stable Diffusion. Back in the WebUI, click the refresh icon next to the checkpoint dropdown. Then select Realistic Vision from the list. Your model is ready.
Colors look gray or washed out? Install a VAE. Download VAE Fult Milliner 8 Open setting and place it in Models VAE. Then open Settings, go to Stable Diffusion and pick the VAE. Click Apply Settings. You will see the message, SDVAE applied. Skin tones look vivid again.
Now the key settings. Sampling method, DPM++ SDE Keras. Steps, 30. CFG scale, 5.5. Use a portrait size of 512 by 768. Set batch count to 4, and keep the seed on -1 for random results.
Type the official template. Raw photo, your subject, 8K UHD, DSLR, soft lighting, high quality, film grain, Fujifilm X-T3. Paste the long negative prompt from the model page. Add the easy negative and unrealistic dream embeddings. Put them in the embeddings folder.
Click Generate. After a few seconds, your portrait appears. Now enable Hires Fix. Choose the 4x ultra-sharp upscaler, scale by 1.5, and set denoising strength to 0.35. The second pass adds crisp skin and eye detail.
Faces still look soft? Install ADetailer. Open the Extensions tab, click Available, then Load From. Search for ADetailer and press Install. Download the face and hand YOLO models into Models, ADetailer. Then enable ADetailer in TXT2IMG and pick the face model. Your faces get fixed automatically.
For a bad hand, use Inpainting. Open ING-Do IMG and go to the Inpaint tab. Paint over the broken hand with the brush. Set mask blur to 4, masked content to original, and denoising strength to 0.7. Generate. The hand is fixed. You can also enable Restore Faces in settings for extra polish.
Hitting problems? Out of memory? Lower the resolution and add Medvram and Xformers to WebUI user.bat. Black images? Install the VAE or add no half VAE. Model missing from the dropdown? Check the Models folder and hit refresh. And never run an SDXL model on an SD 1.5 setup.
That is your 5-step portrait recipe. A realistic model, a proper VAE, a photo prompt, the right settings, and a face fix. Please use it responsibly. Never recreate real people without permission. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, Your Own Character with Laura. Happy creating!